Hey all, this is Samudita from Aarti's Kitchenette. Welcome everyone, and today's my recipe is related to Independence Day and Janmashtami because recently we completed Janmashtami as well.
Hi all, I'm from Aarti's Kitchen.
So this is my special recipe for Happy Independence Day. So this is the special jelly cake made from papaya puree, kiwi fruit and desiccated coconut to represent our tricolor flag, saffron, white and green. I love my India. This is my daughter's last year drawing for Independence Day. And this is last year Janmashtami which we celebrated in our apartment, and she is playing the dahi handi. And this is my little Krishna Adya. And this is my mom with my daughter Adya. This is first Janmashtami of my Adya. And this is last year, she was Radha. She was decked up as Radha. She's waiting for her Krishna. So main ingredient is China grass or agar agar. It is a seaweed or it's a red algae. It has 80% of fiber, so hunger suppressant, laxative, intestinal regulator. It is used in fat diet. So it's a weight loss recipe. So for 25 ml of water, we need around 1/3 cup of small cut piece of agar agar. If you have taken it in a strip form, if it is in a powder form, you take 1 tablespoon of powder. Now soak this agar agar pieces into 250 ml of water so that it gets hydrated. So these are the ingredients: jaggery powder, papaya and kiwi puree and desiccated coconut. Now in a saucepan, I will add this soaked agar agar and I will allow it to boil until the agar agar melts. So our India got Independence Day on 1947 August 15th. You will get to know that agar agar is melted completely or dissolved by dipping a spoon into the water, and you can take it out and there will be no crystals attached to the spoon. Now I am adding jaggery powder and I will be stirring it until it dissolves completely. So you can check there is no crystals to my spoon. If you find any crystals, that means still the agar agar has not melted completely. Now our agar agar is dissolved, and I will add this mixture into all the 3 bowls of kiwi puree, papaya puree and desiccated coconut, and mix them nicely. You should add this agar agar when it is not completely lukewarm or not too hot. It should be just little warm, more than lukewarm, but less than boiling point. After mixing, you can add it to choice of mold and allow it to set for 10 to 15 minutes to form a jelly, or the puree gets solidified. Agar agar is mainly the solidifying agent here. Now all my jellies are set. Try to check if it is separating from the mold. See, you can see here. So my jelly is ready. Try to remove the jelly slowly. And voila, here it is, the jelly cake. For saffron, I have used the papaya puree because my main theme was tricolor flag. East or West, India is best. Happy Independence Day to all. You can see it is so healthy, and moreover I have used agar agar, so there is not even a gelatin. So, and I have used all fruits and desiccated coconut. Thanks all. Please do like, share and subscribe Adya's Kitchenettes. Tia.